In this video, we're going to talk about top 5 ways you can actually make money online by doing data entry jobs. Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil, and in this particular channel, we talk mainly about investing as a beginner. We talk about education or career related topics, or we talk about topics which are related to productivity. So if you're someone who's new here and you want to watch more of the future videos, feel free to subscribe. Now, all the websites which are being mentioned in this particular video, they are completely free and they're not sponsored. So you don't have to pay any registration amount for any of these websites. Also, as a bonus, at the end of this video, I will be sharing few tools with you guys which can be used for data entry jobs, and they are completely free as well. And these tools will actually make it much more easier for you to do any data entry jobs. So watch the video till the end. Now, the very first website is clickworker.com. So what this website does is, whenever this website gets a big project, it divides it into smaller projects and then it assigns it to people. So all you have to do is, on the top right corner, you have earn money as a click worker. You click on that and then you have the option of sign up. You go down, and before you actually sign up, just scroll down more to actually understand what kind of jobs are available on this particular platform. So you have text creation, copy editing, surveys. So you have different kinds of jobs which are being available over here. On an average, you can earn anywhere between $5 to $8 from this particular platform. So once you actually understand what kind of job that you want to do, you figure it out, and then after that, just go up and sign up over here. Now, the next website which I would recommend is PeoplePerHour.com. Now, this website is again quite easy to use and it is very user friendly. So all you have to do is, just on the top right corner, you have the option of freelancer. You click over there and then you have two different options. You want to hire a freelancer or you want to work as a freelancer. So you click over here and then just sign up with your Facebook or with your email address. Once you're done with the sign up part, all you have to do is go on top, you have the option of search, click on search and then search for projects. Once you come over here, look for data entry. Now you will see multiple different projects which are proposed by different people. So you have hourly rates and you have fixed price rate as well. So depending on which project you find it comfortable for you, you can send them a proposal accordingly. Also, if you have doubt in any of these pages so far, all you have to do is just drop me a message on my Instagram. I'll be happy to help you out. And if you found this particular video useful so far, do hit the like button as it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Now, the third website which I would definitely recommend is GoTranscript.com. So once you actually open this particular website, this website helps people transcript their audio or video files. So you can actually work as a transcriptionist on this particular platform. So once you open this particular website, all you have to do is scroll all the way down and you will see a section for transcriptionists. So over here, you click on work. And over here, you can see that you get up to 60 cents per minute for an audio or a video file. Now, what this per minute basically means, it does not mean that for the amount of time you have spent, but instead, let's say if it's a 3 minutes video or let's say if it's a 4 minutes video. So for each minute, you get paid up to 60 cents. So if it's a 3 minutes video, the total length of the video, you will be getting paid $1.8 if you are helping the particular person with the transcriptions. The average earning on this particular platform is roughly about $150. And once you have decided that you want to work on this particular platform, all you have to do is just click on apply now. Now, the fourth website which I would definitely recommend is Transcribeme.com. Now, this particular platform is quite similar to GoTranscript, and over here as well, you will be working as a transcriptionist. So all you have to do is, once you're on this particular platform, go to jobs. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can actually see what is the overall earning that you can expect per hour. So this particular platform, you can expect anywhere between $15 to $22 per hour. And the maximum you can expect is roughly about $2,200 on a monthly basis. Now, once you have decided that you want to work on this particular platform, just scroll up and click on get started. And then all you have to do is just click on sign up and just start with your basic account details. Now, the very final website is Revcom. Now, this is one of the most widely used websites, and as soon as you open this particular website, you will see different rates. Now, don't get confused. These rates are applicable for you as a customer. So if you want your particular video or audio to be edited, in that particular case, for the transcription rates, you will have to pay this particular amount. Now, to work as a freelancer, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you will have the option of freelancers. So you click over here. And over here, you will see two different options. One as a transcriptionist and second as a captioner. Now, both are pretty much similar, but in case of a captioner, you are putting a caption for a particular video. And once you have made the caption, in that case, you will have to align the caption with the video as well. So your audio and the video needs to be aligned. So that being the reason, when you're working as a captioner, you get slightly higher pay, ranging between $0.5 to $1. And in case of a transcriptionist, you get paid anywhere between $0.3, that is about 30 cents, to $1. So when you're working as a captioner, you get slightly higher pay. And once you have decided that you want to work as a captioner or a transcriptionist, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you have the option of sign up as a freelancer. So you click over here, fill your details, and that's it. Now, for most of these platforms, you need to have a PayPal account in order to get paid. So if you're someone who is above 18 years of age, in that particular case, you can actually create a PayPal account yourself. But in case you're someone who is a minor, in that particular case, you need to have a guardian or your parents need to create that particular PayPal account for you. Now, coming on to the top 3 tools which I would highly recommend you need to start using as a data entry to make money online is the very first one, the voice typing feature on the Google Chrome. Now, this particular feature is not available on Safari, so you need to make sure that you are using the Google Chrome browser. Once you are on the browser, open any Word document and on the tools, you will find the option of voice typing. So you click over here and you need to directly click on start. Now, the advantage is that whatever you are saying, it automatically gets typed. Just like that. So for this, you need to first make sure that you have the file downloaded. Now for downloading the file, you need to have another extension, which is the Audio Downloader Prime. You can find this particular extension as well on the Google Chrome. If not Audio Downloader Prime, you can even download the Bulk Media Downloader. So make sure that you have any of these two extensions in order to download the audio file first before using the voice typing feature. Once you have these features enabled, then make sure that you also have Grammarly, because Grammarly will make sure that in case the voice typing feature does make any mistake, then the Grammarly will automatically correct it. So I hope you found this particular video useful. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online by trading stocks, I would highly recommend you watch this particular video where I explain step by step in terms of how you can learn trading for free. So do check out this particular video, and if you found this particular video useful, do like it, do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.